Hey guys. My school has become like really strict on phones. The second they see a phone, they have to snatch it and you gotta send it to discipline. And so to fight against this injustice that is not letting me be on my phone during school, I mean, like, what? What kind of logic is that? I decided to film my entire day on this camcorder, and here's how it went. Hey guys. It's hard to record with this thing. So this is the quality we're working with the whole day, so let's hope I don't get this taken away, because if this gets taken away... Anyway, here's a fit check. So I'm wearing this earth brown sweater, PacSun, these brown khakis, and these Vans. So let's go to school.
Wait, this is gonna be like a vlog update, like, okay.
Okay.
So, like, today is March 17th.
Yeah, March 17th.
It's our go to prom. And we'll figure it out in our next episode.
Next episode of vlogging. Anyways, guys, so I've applied to so many freaking jobs, and all of them are lying about hiring. I've applied to 7-Eleven, Wawa, Cracker Barrel, Applebee's, Funplex, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Domino's, Pizza Hut. Literally any place. Just nowhere is freaking hiring. Well, what do you want to say to the vlog?
Is it recording?
Yeah. Okay. Girl. This is like... Okay. Okay.
What are you saying?
Say anything. Turn that off.
So, like, everyone welcome to our drinking festival, So Pinch Me.
So pinch me. Pinch.
So then, basically, everyone has to walk around and get really drunk, and if you're not drunk enough...
Oh, the teenagers?
Yes.
The 15-year-olds. The 15-year-olds at the club.
We need to make sure, like, if you're not drunk enough, like, you get pinched.
Pinched? That's crazy. Pinched. Oh.
Everyone come to Club Tamiza.
Designer clothing stores that were priced much higher.
We're watching
so
a video.
this allowed us
But this is our club,
to buy these types of
Tamiza. Business plan for our club. Well, no. We have our game changers. So other teen clubs have a cage where inappropriate slutty dancing happens. So we won't have a cage. Got COVID. Don't come. I can't go to the cage. Okay, now we're going to second block.
Relax.
And just
want to take some pictures.
I walk around here and then I go to the library.
Wow. I think I should.
Hey, vlog.
Hey guys, we're in my second block right now. I TA for their health class.
SFL. I'm Annie.
I'm looking at my calendar. What are you doing? You look like
my
you're doing...
Spanish presentation.
No,
Let's talk about a day of life at Annie. I woke up this morning. I went to school. I went to first block where the kids next to me are so weird that I can't even function.
Okay.
And then now I'm in second block with Dylan and Isabel, and it's not cute. Third block, I'm probably gonna fail the class. Fourth block, I'm probably gonna die. And the fifth block, I'm gonna make food too fast.
Okay, but did it taste good?
Hey baby.
Hey, baby, I'm feeling this. I'm doing.
What the hell is that?
AP Psych.
Oh, yeah, like.
How are you? 2 weeks since we've been in Disney together.
I know, like it. And the chicken nuggets and the hidden Mickeys. Like I just miss it. I miss it all. How do you feel? It's giving like Office Siren.
Hey guys!
I probably look chopped as hell, y'all.
So today is a Monday. We're sitting in study hall. If you think we're doing work, we're not.
We're not. We're literally looking for songs for like this thing that we want to do for like.
Yeah. So battle of the bands.
Guys, so I'm gonna get 8 hours of studio time.
Oh.
I at least want to get
sing,
30.
I could rap. I could do it all.
Guys, I want to sing "Burn" from Hamilton, and I want to sing "Bad Girl" from Anastasia.
What are you gonna sing, Demi?
I have an original.
Wow. Okay. Can we hear a little piece? Yeah.
Big buddy, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, wait. Let's restart. Okay. I wasn't ready for the masterpiece.
Y'all weren't ready.
So just give me a second taste. Big
buddy, yeah. Wonderful man.
Wow, it was amazing.
Fantastic.
It was beautiful.
I know.
Big
I'm
buddy
stunting on all y'all.
Big buddy gal, wind up on me.
Period. Oh.
So I'm trying to decide
Big buddy, yeah.
on which one. I'm kind of I definitely want to do like Jenny and then change it to like Terry. So it's like Terry.
Keep your head down, nails done like
Terry.
I'll I'm obsessed like
Terry.
Hey y'all. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh. Yes.
The funny.
Yeah.
So this is all I do second block, guys. I don't do any work. Well, I do work sometimes, but not that much. And I also play. Sometimes, a little bit.
What's in my goodie bag? I got you thinking about it. Y'all wanna see a hold on. Y'all wanna see a fit check?
Okay. Oh.
Ignore the stomach. That's why I got a hoodie on, guys.
Why were you so animated? Like,
Oh.
you said that's why I got a hoodie on, guys.
Yes, guys, I got a hoodie on. Zip up that hoodie.
It's basically a sweater, bodysuit,
Yup.
gray leggings.
Yep.
It's giving bodies tea, big buddy, yeah.
Big buddy girl. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to Terry. And subscribe to me.
If you ever post.
I haven't posted in a year.
J'ai voyagé, j'ai goûté beaucoup de cuisine à mon avis. Le Maroc plus avancé que la Tunisie, pardon. La cuisine marocaine populaire dans la
Do you sure you're eating that?
traditionnellement servie de pauvres. Ils se composent
Oh my god, the crumble cookie flavors were so good this week. Yes, it's like original pink sugar. There's this Lucky Charms one. Cookies and cream.
produisent la majorité de ce qu'ils consomment. Les réformes vont aussi toucher le secteur des banques et le moderniser. Un autre pays dont tu aimerais qu'on parle? N'hésite pas à le demander. Comment le Maroc est-il?
Tu peux, donner un fit check.
Kaki est basket était band.
恩怨不休愁，明月情缘，我发现人早见难免，不为什么过客，却总成。
Bonjour guys. Nous savons été classe de français.
Take it back.
Give me. How do you feel being a high schooler?
Want to kill myself.
How do you feel being a high schooler?
I'm a senior. How does that? What does that say?
Look, is this what you do? You just come to the bathroom to... Okay, give it a fit check. It's really zoomed in.
Okay, let's go.
Why did we come in here?
Okay, bro.
Where are you going now?
I'm going to study hall. Where are you going?
Yearbook. You want to say hi to the vlog? What do you have to say to them? All my 65 subscribers.
Please, stream 32 November on SoundCloud. Please, 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 please.
Even yeah. Did you fart?
Why'd you walk with me?
Anyway, say hi to YouTube.
Walking again?
Yeah. Morgan.
She knows. It's me. Spring.
You're so evil.
Stop recording me.
Okay, no one's recording you anymore.
Wait, I didn't wear green today.
Alright, someone's gonna pinch you.
No, I'm Irish. I'm like.
Alright, today's St. Patrick's Day. I forgot.
He's wearing, look at this outfit. He's wearing all coffee brown tones. It looks like a mocha latte. I look like matcha.
I need pictures of me as like a baby for my presentation for Spanish. And I asked my mom, can you send me pictures? She goes, what do you mean? I'm confused. What do you mean you're confused?
What made you think of this?
I found a picture of Isabel as a baby.
So confused. You guys know, like, I'm just not well versed in the brain that already.
In 20 years, they're gonna study this and be like the philosophers of like brain rot. And it's like, actually, I'll probably be teaching that class in college. I'll be the professor.
It's pretty like homophobic, racist, and misogynist of you to assume that all TikTok trends, a platform with a majority of non-binary, not abled, and it's pretty ableist of you to say that that platform inherently creates brain rot. Check your privilege and do better. So I think you really need to check your privilege, end those internalized biases, and just overall do better, Isabel.
Thank you for coming to my audio essay.
Thank you for watching my video essay.
Next topic is...
Never played a word.
Yeah, like words.
I think it's recording.
Oh, yeah, it's recording. Cece! Yay!
Oh, that's not what it's
Shut up! You're leaving my guys! Bye, bye, bye! Bye! No! Oh my god! They're playing my YouTube videos, guys! Oh my god!
Supposed to get all of this done in one day. It's currently 1:54. School ends at, we stopped this class at 2:17, and I have 3 things done, so I think I'm pretty on track.
Next month.
I'm starting YouTube next month too. I'm getting a camera for my birthday.
Hey!
We'll be vlogging in December. We're going to Philly. We're going on 2 Man.
Oh, a 2-man? Oh. Yeah.
This is LeBron.
That's what you wanted to do?
Listen, right?
You're gonna, wait, we're not gonna go past that. You're gonna do a 2-man on video?
No, I'm just, okay, I'm listen, bro. If you're bad and you're in Jersey or Philly, what the fuck, hit me up. Alright, Instagram, CK2 Thorough, right? TikTok, Batman Lover 123. They can have you, hit me up, though.
Here's my conditioning fit.
Hold on, let me zoom out. What the? This zoomed in. Okay, I guess you can't zoom out.
So I still have the same shoes I had on earlier. Cause I
Okay. Yeah. Oh shit.
So, guys, I don't do this. Hey. What are you doing?
Hey!
What's your name?
So my name is Isaiah.
What's your job?
So I work as a lifeguard. And
Wow.
Yeah, like I feed kids with starving homes in Uganda.
Wow. How do you like get the food to them?
Well, I make it. I'm a very good cook.
Wow. What's a dish that you cook?
My nonna taught me this. It's
Your nonna?
Yeah, my
Wow.
nonna. It's Cacho e Pepe.
Ooh, no. Let's go back in there. Get back to work. Hey, so it's editing turns right now. I realized I forgot to film an outro for this video, but thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's been quite a while since I posted. I have a lot of very exciting videos in the process and being edited right now, so please be patient with me. And thank you for, I think it's like 1.3 thousand views on the NMIX lore video. I did not think it would get that much. Trust, part 2 is in the works as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys pretty soon.